Alfred Barley here with Arid Bilge Systems with Dalton at the Hydrosports booth, and he's going to go ahead and tell us a little about the Arid Bilge system, his personal experience, and how the Arid Bilge system coexists with his line of boats. When you take a look at these boats, these Hydrosports boats, they build exquisite boats. They're massive in size and they are superbly fast. They have on this boat, Estrella, so much customization. Now here at HCB, the customer will go and have the best boating experience possible. And Arid Bilge System, we go ahead and keep that boating experience dry, fresh, and clean, just like when it came out of the factory. That's the point of the Arid Bilge System. Gyro, that generator, all these expensive marine equipment technology down in your bilges, all that stuff is being fresh and clean as opposed to it getting rust and corrosion buildup. No more mold, no more odor. Dalton, tell me a little bit about your experience and what you all do here at Hydrosports.
First off, welcome aboard the 65 Australia, a center console yacht, which is truly amazing, right? You're talking about the cockpit area, how wide she is. This is a 16-foot beam, which is massive, right? I've had customers put 14-foot jet boats in here as tenders.
I mean, you've got a lot of pulls too, I can see.
Yeah, so funny enough, this one is a 65-foot vessel. Top speed is 65, has 65 rod holders, and of course, 600s. The 65 Australia launched in 2018, and it really launched HCB into the yachting industry. We rebranded into HCB Center Console Yachts in 2018 because of this Australia, and it put us in a new league. And to be honest, we have rocked that league, I believe.
So would you say that the Arid Bilge System really improves your overall quality of boats?
Yes, so the dry bilge system, we will not build a vessel without it. It's too important for the bilge to be dry to not have it in the boat. Having a dry bilge is very important to make sure you're not only keeping things maintained well, serviced well, and overall cleanliness. So honestly, on the HCB, which is just a high-end center console, it's a luxury center console, right? We have to have the best of the best. Our nature of the beast. We always think, we try to over-engineer things. So the air bilge for us is a dry bilge. A dry bilge is a happy bilge. When everybody's got we have 3 sea chests actually in this 65, meaning less through holes in the bottom of the boat. Everything's going into a centralized tank system and feeding it throughout the whole vessel. So very minimal areas to leak, but if something does get water into the bilge, that dry bilge that you all offer us, keeps it a nice dry bilge. And it is, like you stated, in 3 areas. It is in the aft bilge, midship, and right underneath the master stateroom as well, just to keep everyone happy and clean. Honestly, most of the work's always in the aft bilge pads, and it's worked really well for us.
Would you say that what the Arid Bilge System does, it stops the rust buildup on things like your generator and your gyro?
It helps overall maintenance of the vessel, serviceability, things of that nature. You're keeping the condensation out of the bilge, which is immensely important here in the marine industry. You've got a captain, you've got someone servicing your vessel. They're really going to appreciate a dry bilge area. If I can keep that moisture out of there, I'm going to have less service problems and as well as overall nicer bilge area.
Would you say that it's a really durable system?
I love the serviceability of the system, honestly. It's easy to work on, it's easy to clean. You just literally undo the hose, do some air, clean out your hoses if you've sucked in some dirt or debris, because it is more of a pad on the bottom that is sucking to the bottom of the bilge area.
Right. And
you do get dirt and dust. And the dry bilge system gets all that centralized in an area that might get clogged. 5 minutes, quick air do clean, it's done. That's amazing, right? That'll also help save our bilge pumps also in the future. Without getting all that dirt in our bilge pumps and having to replace bilge pumps, that air bilge just pulled it in there to a central location. You're cleaning it out. Your service guys are very happy about that.
Dalton, thank you so much for your time. This has been an amazing experience on this boat. I love all your boats, to tell you the truth.
I hope that we've educated all boaters that it is important to have a dry bilge. A dry bilge is a happy bilge.